Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my shower routine slash nighttime routine. So the first thing I do is I put my hair up in a ponytail and I lay like 3 scarves down because I don't want my hair to get wet whatsoever. I then put on my bonnet and I put on my pink shower cap. It's my favorite shower cap, but I always want to make sure that my hair is secured so it doesn't get wet, because when I do my shower routine, the last thing I want to do is have to deal with my hair when I get out the shower. So before I jump in the shower, I love to wash my face. I'm going to be using my Decorte washing cream. It is a foaming cleanser, so you really don't need a lot, you just need a little bit, and I'm gonna use that to just wash all over my skin. Now I love this face wash because it gets all the debris out of my skin, especially at night. I normally have the most gunk on my face, so I like to use that to just get all the dirt out. And because it is a foaming cleanser, it does foam up. And then I'm just gonna rinse my skin. I'm gonna use my rag to kind of get the water off my face, and I always use a clean rag every single time, so keep that in mind. I like to exfoliate with a soft body wash and exfoliating gloves because they make my skin feel so soft. This body wash smells so good, you guys. Like, when I say I smell so girly with this body wash, I smell so girly, so feminine. It just smells so good. After that, I'm going to be using my exfoliator, and I'm going to use that to exfoliate my little lady parts. I get waxed, so I have to exfoliate once every other day. Next, I'm gonna go in with my shaving stick. I love this shaving stick. It has 5 blades. You could pick it up at Target, or I'll just link it in the description down below if you guys are interested. And I just used my body wash as my shaving cream. I like doing it this way because the Olay body wash is so moisturizing. It's so easy for the razor to glide through. Now you can use shaving cream if you want. I just prefer to use body wash. After shaving, I'm gonna be using my Shea Sugar Vitamin C Sugar Scrub all over my leg. After I'm done shaving my legs, I'm gonna proceed to shave my underarm. I first shave downwards and then upwards. I use the same method as I did in my legs, and I don't really have any hyperpigmentation under my arm, and I've been doing this method for a while, so shaving works for me. So I'm just gonna shave, and then I'm gonna use my tree head exfoliator to just exfoliate my body, and then I'm just gonna rinse off and wrap up my shower. We're gonna jump right into skincare. So first thing I do is I tone my skin. I use my Decorte Vitalizing Lotion for toner. After my toner, I'm gonna go in with my essential softening milk. I love this essence. I just use it across my face, and I also don't forget to add it onto my neck as well. After that, I'm gonna use my hydration boosting serum on my skin. You guys all know what a serum is for, but I love using this serum because I always need like extra hydration, especially at night. Skincare is a little bit more luxurious, so I always use this skincare at night because I know my skin is gonna get the most impact at night. So I love this skincare. My texture has changed so much since I started using it. As you guys can see, you guys been asking so much question about my skin, and it's thanks to Decorte. I'm gonna use my moisturizer, and you literally just need a dab. You really don't need a lot. It is so moisturizing and it feels so good on your skin. I love this moisturizer. Out of everything that I've used in Decorte, I love the moisturizer. It's so smoothing on your skin, and I always apply it on my neck as well. And then I'm just gonna use my eye cream. This is also from Decorte, and I use the ball that comes with it, and I just use that to apply on my eye. And I'm just gonna use my finger to press it in. My skin looks so good, oh my gosh. And then I'm just gonna apply my lip balm, get that lips juicy and hydrated. For moisturizer, I'm going to be using my moisturizing cream all over my body. This moisturizer, if you guys haven't tried this moisturizer, you are missing out. You literally smell like cookies, and your man will want to eat you alive. It smells so good. So I'm just going to use that and rub it all over my body. I'm then gonna follow up with my Hydro Boost moisturizer. This moisturizer is really hydrating. If you need hydration in your skin, you need this lotion. It literally glides on your skin. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna apply it on my legs and on my feet especially. Lastly, to top everything off, I am just going to use my body oil, and I'm going to apply this all over my body just to top everything off. It smells literally so good. I love this oil. I have dry skin, so I have to make sure I use all of this, especially during the winter and fall. My skin gets a little drier, and then I'm just going to apply it also on my cuticles as well. Lastly, I like to top off my shower routine with a few spritzes of perfume. It makes me feel so luxurious, and if you don't do this step already, I highly recommend it if you're in the mood to pamper yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed the shower routine. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.
chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. Lady on that rap and pay the bill shit.
Now I'm that shit, not even a little bit. Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick.